In this video, I will show you how to create and delete a Facebook page. So, okay, once you are logged in, you will see your screen, Facebook. Towards the left hand side, on the bottom, you will see create, and here the option is page. You need to select that to create a page, and you will be presented with two options: create a business or a brand page, a community or a public figure. So depending upon your need, you can select one of these options. I'm going to select the business page, click get started, and give the name. For the sake of this tutorial, I am giving the name test page. Then you need to select the category from the drop down menu. I'll select the education and click continue. Okay, in case it is giving an error, you can rename your page and click continue again. Okay, here it will ask you to upload the pictures, profile picture. You can skip that for a time being. Then it will ask you to upload a cover photo. You can do this later on, so skip that also, and your page has been created. So this is how you create a new page on your Facebook. You can add your profile picture here, and you can add the cover photo here. But in this tutorial, since I'm only showing you how to create a page and then how to delete that page, so since the page has been created, now I'm going to show you how to delete this page. To delete this page, you need to go to the settings, and in the settings on the bottom you will see a remove page, and its description is delete your page. Click that, and you will get an option permanently delete test page. Click that. So after that, it will give you an option that once you delete this page, you will not be able to get it back. So it is recommending you that you can unpublish your page instead of deleting it. But since our aim is to delete the page, we are going to simply press this delete, and our page has been deleted. So that's how you can create and delete a Facebook page. This channel is all about tips and tricks and how-to tutorials about the Android, Windows, and the websites. So if you are interested, consider subscribing, and don't forget to like and share this video.